How would you like to make thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions without having any website and without running any paid traffic? Basically, not spending even a single penny on paid traffic. Now, as you are listening to this video right now and watching this screen, you are thinking, is that even doable? And let me tell you, this is totally doable once you understand and know how to do it. So as you can see, this is one of my accounts, $3,900 US. Now, how you can start having results like that, right? Let me share with you one of the things that will blow your mind. You see, you have different ways to run traffic. You have free traffic, you have which is organic traffic. You have paid traffic, which are Google ads, Facebook ads, TikTok ads, right? Those are all social platforms where you can borrow the traffic of other people, right? And then there is another source of traffic which is called solo ads or email ads or buyer's clicks or whatever you want to call it, right? Now, as you know, there are many different providers out there, right? With clicks, solo ads, email ads, right? So how we are getting access and cloning data? You see, imagine this, right? You have a wheel, right? And here is the river, here is the water, right? And you have the wheel. So these wheels, in order for the wheel to move, right? To move in certain direction, there need to be a strong enough flow of water, right? The river has to be strong enough, right? The current. So what do I mean by that? The same thing is if you have the evergreen niche, right? First of all, you have to position yourself correctly. You have to be in evergreen niches where people are already spending money hand over fist, right? Let me give you one simple example, right? You're always hearing health, weight loss, fitness, supplements, make money online, relationships, right? Those are evergreen niches. But let me give you another example of evergreen niche where people are spending big money. Golfers, right? It's a hobby niche, right? But imagine this, how many people for example, or have you heard of, or if you do some Google research in 5 minutes, right? How much those people are spending money monthly, per year, right? Or annually by playing golf. You see, golf, people who are obsessed about golf, right? Who have golf hobby, they are spending a lot of money on training or books, on equipment, on different things, right? And even people like to do even different kind of things like investments, right? And different offers, right? So just to give you an example, right? So what traffic source have you used? We have used email ads. So we are getting the access of the assets, and I'm not talking about Udemy ads here, right? This is the crap that you can buy. So if you really want to have the perfect, let's say the good quality buyer's traffic sent to your affiliate link, what you have to understand is that you have to go into evergreen niche, and then you have to also have the right quality traffic, right? The people who are not only prospects, who are not only interested in an offer, but who are buyers, right? Who are already buying, right? Buying stuff. Like a coffee drinker is buying coffee every single day, right? You don't have to go out there and convince him to buy coffee because he's already drinking it, right? So the same thing goes here, right? Once you're in the right niche, when you position yourself where people are already willingly spending money, hand over fist every single day, you just position yourself in front of the starving crowd, and with the right offer and the right email copy, right, you can start having results. Now we have a 3-step email. Maybe you haven't heard of that, and please stay until the end of this video because I'm going to share with you one bonus which can help you to get more results. So the number one thing is we have 3-step email program. What is that? The first step is tapping into our audience, right? With tapping into our audience, what I mean by that is getting the interest, right? We send out first email to get the interest, right? Once they pick the interest, we send the second email. The second day, second email. So with the second email, what happens? With the second email, we get response, right? We get response back from people, and then we send another email, which is third email, where is the offer? So where is the main point? Where is the offer? So that's why our conversions rate are really huge, right? We're not sending out crappy Clickbank emails, right? That you can copy and paste. We are sending exact emails that are going to resonate with our audience. And I'm going to say it again, resonate, because you have to have the right words in your email copy, right? Your right copy that's going to resonate with your audience, with your list. So this is how we get results. As you can see here, right? $3,900. Now, how you can get the same results? Let me show you here. Let's go to clickbank.com. For example, clickbank.com. And here you have Super Affiliate System by John Crestani, right? Average conversion, it's $903. So imagine this. For one sale, you get $900. Let me ask you this. How much would you be willing to spend on clicks, on solo ads, on email ads, let's say on traffic, to get $900, right? Let me give you an example. With 300 buyers clicks for $500 and you have one sale, you spend $500, you make $900 back, you make $400 profit. That's correct, profit, $400, right? If you make two sales and if you buy more traffic for $1,000 or $2,000, you can even make up to $5,000 or even more dollars in sales, in profit, right? 100% commission. So it all depends what offer you're promoting and what kind of email you're sending, right? If you send only one email, right, you cannot have the same results like someone who have strategic plan on how to follow up and then sell on the back end. So that is really, really important. So if you want to have this done for you, what you can do is, look, go to clickbank.com in this case, go to Super Affiliate System and click on promote. After you click on promote, it will appear the link where you can click and copy your affiliate link, your hop link, right? After that, go to my page. Under this video are going to be links to my social media accounts and my email, and send me the request. Say, hi, I want to have $1,000 days commissions. So that way I can know you're really serious and interested. After that, I will reply you. So below this video are going to be links to my email, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Facebook. You can reach me on any of these platforms, and then just say, yes, I'm in. Yes, I'm in, or yes, I want 1K a day affiliate commissions. And I will see if you're the right fit to work with us. And if you're the right fit and we are right fit to work together, then and only then we are going to make sure if we can help you to get results. So what you can do is, as I said before, right, you can go to my social media accounts, as you can see below here. You can connect with me one-on-one on email, WhatsApp, Instagram, and all the links are below this video. So thank you for watching this video, and before you leave out, please subscribe to my channel for more tips that are going to help you.